There's a kind of mood settling in that says today is the day we find a rhino. We found tracks yesterday evening. One had come down to drink a little spring up the river here where we're camping. And we're going to go have a look at the spring, see if there have been any nocturnal visitors. Hopefully there's some fresh tracks for us to follow.
This is also the time when the rhinos are active. So best time of the day to catch them while they're busy moving around. Hopefully we're going to be lucky today.
You might see a couple of giraffe running in the background, mother and calf. Beautiful way to start the day. Haven't got rhino yet, but we opened up with this amazing sunrise and this giraffe family. Stunning golden light, so a good start. Now we press on down across the basalt plains and see if we can find the ever elusive rhino.
Here we've got some quite fresh black rhino tracks. They've got 3 toes, so you can see that he was moving in this direction. There's one toe, there's another one, and he was probably feeding on these river combretum bushes. So this one went into the direction where we came from, but there's a spring nearby, so we hope to find some more sign, and I think we're going to be lucky at some stage. After another 5 hours on the road this morning and looking hard left, right and center, we've finally encountered a couple of black rhinos here, desert adapted ones at that, but they're well hidden in the sedges there at the spring.
Bit of a tricky sighting at the moment because they're in some long grass, they're hiding, but they are moving now, so if we're lucky, if we're very lucky, they're going to pop onto the open. If she comes, just stay calm, don't worry. Stay dead still.
Wow, what an exhilarating experience. Just encountered a desert adapted black rhino. Amazing. Just been tracking them for over 24 hours now. She got wind of us and ran straight towards us. We gave a bit of a huff and she veered off into the distance. But incredible to see these endangered animals in their habitat. Just the heart is very much still racing, adrenaline flowing.
Honestly, I think most of us figured we weren't actually going to see them because this area is so vast and there are not that many out here, but through a very fortunate series of events and a wrong turn, we managed to see 2 at the same time. So yeah, I think there's smiles all around. Finally found the eddies. We saw them from a long way away, so we're going to see if we can get a vehicle in between the Mapanis and get a nice view. They are going back into the thickets, it might be a bit tough, but yeah, they're moving, so hopefully they come out somewhere a bit more open.